Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up Vellabox, which is my monthly candle subscription. If you guys have been around, you know I love Vellabox so much. So every month you get a candle. They have 3 different subscription plans to choose from. I get the Veadweaver box, which is the highest tier. And this one is about $30. So the prices range from $10 to $30, and I highly recommend it. I have a link and a code with Vellabox. It'll save you $5 no matter what subscription plan you choose. So I will link them down below along with that code. But their candles are amazing. I rave about them for a good reason. They last so long. They are clean, so that means they're not like made with any like icky toxins, which surprisingly I learned like a while back that some like commercial candles are, which is scary. But their candles come from local artisans throughout the United States, and you get to learn about where your candles come from each month, which I think is super cool. And like most importantly, they smell amazing. They're so good. So yeah, and they're a very eco-friendly, sustainable company. I love Vellabox. And you get to actually choose a scent profile now. It's been new like the past few months, so you get to let them know what scents you like, what like scent family or what you don't like, which is super cool. So yeah, I love Vellabox. I think that's everything. Let's get started and open this up. I guess one thing I didn't mention is that there is like an extra bonus goodie that comes from another like artisan in the US that is eco-friendly and amazing, and it's just a bonus with each of the subscription plans. And the candles come in adorable canvas bags I always keep and reuse. Look how cute this one is, plaid. And then this is what it looks like. I took the candle out, I got a little excited. So there's always a Spotify playlist too that goes with your like candle theme. Let's see what it says. A year of adventure awaits you. Listen and burn for the ultimate vibe. Play our snowed in playlist on Spotify. I think that's so cool they do that. And here's our little extra item. Are there 2 extra items? What's this? I'm not sure what this is. What does it say? Ooh, it tells you how to use our extra item. Awesome. This is super exciting. So we get a little card with the information here. What they added is so perfect for January. So the featured candles are from True Hue. Inspired by clean, functional design and a soul for adventure, True Hue seeks to produce the best line of home fragrances that will transport you to the forest, the lake, or under the stars. I love that. With the planet top of mind, True Hue candles are poured with clean wax and fine fragrance oils that are phthalate-free and vegan. Oh, Emmy's like cleaning herself. I'm like, what is that noise I hear? So I don't think my camera should pick up on it, but if you hear like weird like grooming noises, that's Emmy. I don't even know if I thought it was grooming noises, but you know what I mean. So anyways, did I say this already? I got totally distracted. They're phthalate-free, vegan, and they are based out of Minneapolis, Minnesota. So let's see what candle we got from True Hue. I can see what the name of it is. It sounds awesome. So with this Veadweaver subscription, you get this larger candle, 16 ounce. And this is their stargazing candle. Of course, I love the name of that. It's a soy wax candle. And I love that it has the notes on the label here. So I'll read those to you. And then don't worry, I will hold the camera up and I will read the scent description so you can like imagine you're, smelling it too. So the notes are mandarin, vetiver, neroli, sandalwood, patchouli, clary sage, lemon, grapefruit, Guatemalan chocolate. Wow, that's a lot. Let's take a look. Oh my God. This smells so good. Okay, I'm gonna read what it says here. So you can close your eyes, set the scene if you want. Take a deep breath in. Oh shoot, I dropped it. Sorry, I'm killing the mood. Okay, so stargazing. This was the first scent ever formulated by True Hue in their top seller. This deep, complex scent will draw you in just like the vastness of the dark blue sky at night. Lose yourself under the stars. It smells so good. I mean, I love it so much. And then there's a QR code if you want to repurchase it. And this is in the citrus family, or like the citrus scent group. So you could get other scents, like there's like a woodsy like grouping. But I'll leave them down below. You can check them out. They also have a shop too if you just want to get like individual candles. But let's talk about our little bonus goodie here. Actually, there's a few things in here. So these are Cheers drink charms, a set of 4. It's a $10 value. Cheers to the new year. Liven up the party with these cute and fun drink charms. This set includes 4 colors, and it makes it easy to identify who the glass belongs to. Simply slide the charm onto the edge of the glass for an elevated look. These acrylic charms are reusable, so you can keep the party going. Happy New Year, Team Vella. So I think this is made by Vellabox themselves, and it has like a little instruction card that came too. Remove the protector liner from each charm, select a charm color, mark your glass when you leave your drink. Not intended to be used while sipping. That's good. I feel like I'm always holding my drink. I never had the problem of like losing it, maybe running out of it. Anyways, I'll show you each one. So this one is like silver, and then we got a rose gold. They're all so cute. Each one says cheers. And a black one. That's super fun. So that was everything in Vellabox. Oh, the candle smells so freaking good, you guys. I can't get enough candles. Like, that's one of the few things I feel like, honestly, you can't have too much of, because like you go through it. And they're really like great at like giving you ways to repurpose your candles afterwards, the jars, which I think is awesome. They really encourage that, and I appreciate that. So you can like save these and like plant succulents in them is one thing. You can like clean the wax out and put like your cotton balls or swabs in one of these. There's a bunch of different ways. If you guys have any ideas on how to repurpose your old candle jars, leave a comment down below. That would be super useful, and I'd love to hear what you have to say, what your ideas are. Because I get a lot of candles. I get one of the Vellaboxes in PR, and then I also get one paid. So I get 2 candles a month. So I don't think I haven't gotten the other one. I would have opened them together. This is the one I get in PR. So thank you, Vellabox. I love your candles. And I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. I can't wait to hear from you. And if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so if you like this video. And leave a comment, like this video if you want. I would love to hear from you. I hope you're well. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, love you.